Hi everyone, today I would like to share with you a product that I've been wanting to try for a while, but I kind of didn't want to buy it because it's pretty pricey, and it's the SUI gouache. This paint was made by an artist whose name is SUI, and SUI is an illustrator, and they're supposed to be really good quality. The listing on Amazon claims that they combine advantages of famous professional gouache like Shinhan, Winsor Newton, Holbein, Arteza, although, Arteza is not necessarily a professional brand, but regardless, they have like 5 stars on Amazon. They're very well rated. So in spite of the price, since I got a nice discount, I decided to try them. The box is very pretty. Even the boxes of the individual tubes, it kind of has a makeup feel. When you open the set, you'll find some mixing cards, and they explain to you how to mix the colors to get other beautiful colors. And while all the packaging is very pretty and clean, the size of the box really surprised me. Remember, it's a set of 12, and I was expecting something a little bit bigger. The listing says there are 3-ounce tubes, when in fact the tubes themselves say they are 0.25 ounce. It's a lot smaller than what's advertised. They are 7.5 milliliters. So even the smaller tubes of gouache I've had before, they were 11 milliliters, which isn't so bad, but this is really tiny. And then when you open the box of the individual tubes, they are 15 mils, which is a usual size for a tube of gouache. In other words, the individual tubes are the regular size for a tube of gouache, and the tubes in the set are half the size. But that didn't stop me from trying them out, just because they have such great reviews. So I started with swatches, and I really like the colors. They're very pretty. They're all pastel colors. So it's a fun set to have, just to have the convenience colors. As far as the opacity is concerned, some colors are more opaque than others, which is like that with most brands. They feel nice and creamy, which is a plus. But just by doing swatches, it's not giving me a good idea of what the paint is like. So next week in my next video, I will be painting something with them, really trying them out and see how I like them. So for your information, what's available is that particular set of 12 of tiny tubes and 4 more sets of 2 tubes each, the bigger size tubes. However, in those sets, there are a couple of repeats. So if you get the set of 12 and you decide to get all the individual tubes, you will end up with a few repeats. And once you run out of the tube, there is no way for you to get that color separately. You will have to buy that expensive set again. And I don't know if they're available anywhere else. I've only seen them on Amazon so far. Let me know in the comments if you got to try these and if you like them, if it's your favorite brand, or if you do not like them at all. Are they worth the price? That is the question. That's it for today. It's just a quick video this week. I hope you liked it and you found it interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're feeling extra generous, you can always click on the thanks button next to the share button. Thank you all for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you next week with the next video. Bye-bye.